Chapter 6, Lesson 4 of Big Ideas Math, Grade 5. It says, use the area model to find 208 divided by 8. Look how they split this up for us already. 160 plus 48. Raise your hand if you know what 160 plus 48 is. Nick? 208. So they split it up into partial quotients that we can find. Please make sure you're paying attention to the math lesson right now. How many times can 8 go into 160, somebody? How many times can 8 go into 16 with a 0 on the end? Brentley? 20. Perfect. It's just 8 goes into 16 twice with a 0 on the end. How many times can 8 go into 48? Nick? 6. What's 20 plus 6? 26. Thank you. So 208 divided by 8 should be 26. This shows us how to do it down here. Some of you have already done this because you've been working with me on this. So can 8 go into 2? No. Can 8 go into 20? Yes. How many times can 8 go into 20? Twice. 8 times 2 is 16. If you put a 0 on the end, you can do that. You do not have to do just 16. You can put the 0 on the end. So then what's 208 minus 160? Orion? 48. 48 minus 48 is going to be 0. So 26, same deal. Because how many times does 8 go into 48? 26 times. Now, I'd like to show you both methods. So put over here method number 1 and method number 2. You have to pick which method you want to use. So number 1 is the one I've already taught you. 8 into 208. 8 can't fit into 2, but it can fit into 20 twice, like we said. 8 times 2 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. But you can put... Oh, yeah. 20 minus 16 is 4. Drop down the 8. How many times does 8 fit into 48? 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. Leaving me with 0. Am I done? Yes, it should be 26, not 2.6. Please ignore the decimal point that I wrote. I'm going to switch markers. I think this one's about dead.
It's dead?
I think it's dead.
The marker's dead?
Yes, as in it's out of alcohol ink. All right. They mix alcohol with the pigment in here. I think like rubbing alcohol, like what you put on your wounds. They mix that with pigment, and then that's what creates a marker. Anyway, method 2. I would expect you to be writing these down so you know how to do both methods. 208 divided by 8. I know my hand's in the way a little. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best here. All right. 8 can't fit into 2. 8 can fit into 20 twice. 8 times 2 is 16, and I can put a 0 on the end instead. 208 minus 160 is going to be 48. How many times does 8 fit into 48? 6 times. You choose if you want to add that 0 or not. There is an extra step in version 1. Whichever one makes more sense to you, you are more than welcome to do. Please close the door. Thank you. Awesome. I appreciate that. So 208 divided by 8 is what number? 26. I thought you guys might like that. Okay, we're going to look at dividend, divisor, and quotient above. So number 1, we need to put the answer up here, 26. So which one is the dividend? Which one is being divided? What number is being divided? Raise your hand to show me, Trey. Close, very close. Orion. 208, good. That is going to be our dividend. Which number is doing the dividing? Lyra. Which number's doing the work? The 8. Yes, that is our divisor. And which one is our answer? Easton. 26. That is our quotient. If you go, Miss Anderson, I don't know how to spell these. Guess what? They're right there. All right. Yes, Carson. And the cat says, how do you know where to place the digits in the quotient? How do you know where to put the digits? On the top. Easton.
So, because you know the quotient is the answer, and then the dividend is what you're dividing by, and then the divisor is what is doing the work.
Okay, true. Yes, you know how each one is which one. What it's asking is, how do I know this is 26 and not 260?
Because then you're not adding a 0.
Yes, because we used all the numbers, and notice how if it doesn't fit, I put an X here, right? I'd highly recommend doing the X, and then you're not moving it over and thinking you have an extra 8 when you don't. Please make sure you're putting an X if it doesn't fit in there. All right, Flippy Poo. Do a Flippy Poo. All right, I am going to be using method 2 today. If you preferred method 1, that's okay, you can do method 1. But I'm going to be using method 2 today for those who find it easier to use method 2. So, can 7 go into 7?
Yes.
How many times? Once. 1 times 7 is 7, and I put zeros in the rest of the places. What's 784 minus 700?
784.
Shh. Ryan, thank you for raising your hand so politely.
Approximately the number 700 divided by 784 equals 84.
700 divided by 784 is 84? You said divided by. Minus. Yes, 84. Can 7 fit into 8? How many times?
1.
Once. 1 times 7 is 7. Fill in the 0. 84 minus 70 is what? Easton.
14.
Good. 14. How many times can 7 fit into 14?
Twice.
Twice. This is method 2. Raise your hand if you prefer method 1. Raise your hand if you prefer method 2. Okay. We're going to work with method 2 today. You can totally use method 1 if you prefer it more. Whichever one makes more sense to you. Please do not get confused about this. You pick one or the other and stick with it. Can 4 fit into 3? Yeah? No. 4 is bigger than 3. Can 4 fit into 32?
Yes.
How many times? 8 times. I put it right above the 2 because I'm using the 2. 4 times 8 is 32 with 2 zeros on the end. What's 3,212 minus 3,200? Raise your hands. Kiara. Yeah, it is. 12. Can 4 fit? Can 4 fit into 1?
No.
No. Can 4 fit into 12?
Yes.
Absolutely. How many times?
3.
3. Notice how I'm using both the 1 and the 2. What do I have to put in between the two numbers? There's nothing in between the two numbers. What represents nothing? Carson. 0. Whoop, 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 whoop. 803 times 4 would be 3,212. Good job. All right, number 3. Can 6 fit into 7? Shh. Yes or no? Yes. How many times? Once. 1 times 6 is 6. Fill in the rest with zeros. What's 730 minus 600? Orion.
Approximately 600 minus 730.
600 minus 730. Okay, is?
Approximately 130.
Approximately 130. It's exactly 130, not approximately. Awesome. All right, so 6 can't fit into 1. How many times can 6 fit into 13? Carson. Twice. Put it above the 3 because we're using that 13. 6 times 2 is going to be 12. Put in that 0 on the end. 130 minus 120 is what? Easton.
It's approximately 10.
It is. It is 10. Oh, thank you. All right. How many times can 6 fit into 10, Brinley? 1 time. So my answer is 121. And then 1 times 6 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. So my answer, I'm going to stop there, is 121, remainder 4. Does that make sense? I have 4 left over now that I finished the whole number. We're going to keep going on this page together because you're going to need more examples. Please make sure your book is open to page 242. Can 3 fit into 4?
Yes.
Yes! How many times? Once. 1 times 3 is 3. Put those zeros in. What's 3,185? 4,185 minus 3,000. Nick!
1,185.
Good. Can 3 fit into 1?
Wait, what do you mean?
No.
Wrong.
No, it's not.
Oh. 8 minus 6 is 2.
That's a 0. I wrote it bad.
It's a 0, people.
Okay. Nick, how many times can 3 fit into 11?
3 can fit into 11
3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Put some zeros in. Woo, woo. What is 1,185 minus 900? Orion.
1,185 minus 900 is 185.
Ooh. There we go. 285. Good job. Can 3 fit into 2? Ner. Can 3 fit into 28? What is the closest number of times 3 can fit into 28, Brentley? 9. Good job. 3 times 9 is 27. Put a 0 on the end. What's 285 minus 270, Easton?
According to my calculations, it is 15.
15. Easton, how many times does 3 fit into 15?
5 times.
5 times. Whoop, 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 whoop. Your answer should be 1,395. Good job.
Nope. It's like the remainder is 1.
There shouldn't be. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. You see that?
Oh, I thought that was a remainder somewhere.
This one had a remainder.
Oh.
Good observation, Nick. Thank you. All right. We are on number 5. Please let me demonstrate how to do this lesson to the class. Thank you. Okay. Now, does a 6 fit in the 1?
No.
No. Does a 6 fit in the 17?
Yes.
Yes, so put an X over the 1. So how many times can 6 go in the 17? Alexis, how many times can the 6 fit into the 17? Twice. And what is 6 times 2? Very good. 6 times 2 is a 12 with the zeros on the end. What is 1,759 minus 1,200? Garcin? 559. Very good. Very good. Can 6 fit into the 5?
Yes. No.
No. Can the 6 fit into the 55?
Yeah.
I guess. How many times can the 6 fit into the 55?
9.
Thank you for raising your hand. Carly.
Kind of sounds like that lady from being Incredibles.
Thank you. Which one?
Yeah.
Oh, darling, I never make kips. No kips. Okay. Now, Carly, how many 6s can fit in a 55? Carly, darling, I need to know how many 6s. 9? And what is 9 times 6? 54, very good. Oh, 9. 9. Make that a 9, not a 6. 9 times 6 is 54. Put a 0 on the end. What is 559 minus 540? Kobe. What is it? Very good, 19. Love it. How many times can 6 fit into 19, Landon?
2 times. Actually, 3.
3. 6 times 3 is 18. We have a 1 left over. We finished all of our numbers, and there was a 1 left over, so what's our answer?
293 remainder 1.
Good. 293 remainder 1. Thank you. Okay. I am going to do number 6 with you, and then you are going to try 7, 8, and 9, and I want to know what your answers are. Do I expect you to get them right on the first try? No. Please raise your hand to tell me what I expect from you on these. Trey, try your best. Huh? Fine. I will do the Starbucks, girl. You guys make me nuts. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like I'm gonna do 6 with you, and then like you guys are gonna do 7, 8, and 9, and then I'm gonna like, would you stop? Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna pull popsicle sticks afterwards, and you better have an answer for me. Let me tell you. You want to have an answer ready for me, because if you tried and you give me a decent answer, even if it isn't right, you're gonna get dojos. It's like the new Visco. Okay, so number 6. Can like 8 fit into 7? No, 8 is bigger than 7. Guys, how many times can 8 fit into 71 though? I see 2 hands up. Brinley. 8 times, like you're so smart. I love that for you. I love that for you, Slay Queen.
Yeah.
Okay, so 8 cannot fit into 7. So I put an X above 7. And then 8 times 8 is what, Brinley? It's 64, but I need to put 2 zeros on the end. I love that for you. Yas. Clock it.
Clock it.
All right. On that same note, what's like 7106 minus 6400? Kiara. 1000 what?
306.
Is it? Let's see. We got 6. I take away from the 7 for a 6. 11 minus 4 is 7. I think it's 706. I love how you found that, though. I love that you tried. Yes, queen. Okay. Moving on. Can 6 fit into 7?
Yes.
No. Oh, wait. Sorry. I was... Excuse me. I was wrong. Can 8 fit into 7? No, it's too big. Can 8 fit into 70 though? Yas, queen. Finley, how many times can 8 fit into 70? Shh. 8 times what is close to 70 without going over? For example, 8 times 7 is 50. How many times? Shh. Yes, that's so right. Love that for you. 8 times 8 is going to be 64. So I'm going to put 64 with a 0 on the end. 6 minus 0 is 6. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So I'm going to take 10 minus 4 is 6. How many times can 8 fit into 66? Oh my gosh, you guys, it goes in evenly. It's like so perfect. It's like it was made for it. It's just the right size. Brentley. 8. Yes, this problem was made correctly. So what's our answer, Brentley? 888 what? Yes, love it. Perfect. 888 remainder 2. Now, I'm going to ask you to try number 7, 8, 9. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do these 3 problems. And I'm going to ask you what your answers are afterwards. I'm going to pause the video for now. No. All right. Next one, number 8. Who is my lucky contestant today? Carly, what did you get for number 8?
Nothing.
Nothing. Why didn't you get anything?
She didn't.
So did you get confused on the problem?
Yeah.
So what exactly happened? If you can just tell me which part was confusing.
2 divided by 5.
2 divided by 5.
2 divided by 5.
So I'm going to have you walk me through this problem then, and if you can walk me through it successfully, then I will still give you dojo points. Sound like a good deal? Okay, so right here, sorry, I know my screen isn't showing it very well. So Carly, can 2 fit into 4?
Yes.
How many times can it fit into 4? Twice. 2 times 2 is 4, and I put zeros afterwards. So Carly, what's 4,526 minus 4,000?
526.
Good job, 526, yes. So Carly, can 2 fit into 5?
Yes.
Yes, how many times can 2 fit into 5?
Twice.
Twice. 2 times 2 is
4.
4. And what do I need to put after my 4s?
Zeros.
2 zeros, love it. 526 minus 400.
126.
126. Please pretend that this is at the bottom here. Can 2 fit into 1?
No.
No. How many times can 2 fit into 12 though?
6.
6 times. Where am I putting that 6?
By the zeros.
Yep, right next to the 2's. 2 times 6 is 12. What am I putting on the end of my 12 there?
0.
A 0, good. 126 minus 120 is what's left over, Carly?
6.
6. How many times can 2 fit into 6? 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Am I done?
Yep.
Yes, I am. So what's my answer, Carly?
2,263.
Very good. If everyone could please give Carly a round of applause. She is totally getting dojos for guiding me through that. All right. All right, and number 9. Let's see who my lucky contestant is. Orion.
Of course.
What did you get as your answer, honey?
I didn't get to finish that one.
Oh, that is unfortunate. You're guiding me through it. All right, so we're going to set it up in a bracket because we need to do that whenever we're dividing. We have 9,364 divided by 9.
I can't really see all the times in front of me.
I mean, you should have it on your own paper as well. So, can 9 fit into 9?
Yes.
How many times? Once. So I'm putting a 1 above the 9 because it fits in once. 1 times 9. What do I need after that 9? I put a 9 here. What do I need here? Zeros. So what's 9,364 minus 9,000? 364. Can 9 fit into 3? Put a 0 up here. It fits in 0 times. Can 9 fit into 36? How many times? 4 times. What's 9 times 4? 36. Good. Put a 0 on the end. What's 364 minus 360? 4. Can 9 fit into 4? No, so we put a 0 because it fits 0 time. And Orion, what's my remainder? 4. Good. So what's my full answer altogether?
1,044.
Good job. Thank you. Claps for Orion. He is getting dojos for that. All right, Carly, correct answer. All right, now we are going to move on to the activities that we do together on the next page. So please make sure you are focused on page 243 right now. I'd like us to do...
Number 12?
Okay. Actually, let's go to the word problems. I'll give you guys some work time. Oh, shush, shush. A total of 243 students takes a field trip on 5 buses. Each bus has the same number of students. How many students are on the 5 buses?
I could do this one.
So let's do 243 divided by 5, and then this would be our remainder. This area is our remainder. So 243 divided by 5. Can 5 fit into 2?
No.
No. Can 5 fit into 24?
Yes.
Yes, 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20 with a 0 on the end. There's 43 left. Can 5 fit into 4?
Yes. No.
No. Can 5 fit into 43?
Yes.
Yes. How many times can 5 fit into 43?
Times.
How many times?
9.
8. 5 times 8 is 40. And we have a remainder of 3.
Oh, I thought that was 40.
So 5 buses get 48 students, and 1 bus gets the remainder of 3 students. I would not recommend that. I would break it up differently so that 5 buses get, say, 40 students, and then you could have more on this bus to accompany them. Number 16. The boiling point of tungsten is 5,660 degrees Celsius. This is 160 degrees hotter than 2 times the boiling point of iron. So let's see. The boiling point of iron, I'm going to make this circle, okay? So the circle times 2 plus 160 is equal to 5,660 degrees. What is the boiling point of iron? So if it's plus 160 on this side, I'm going to do minus 1 is 60 on both sides. And then instead of times 2, I'm going to do divided by 2. What's 5,500 divided by 2? It should be 2,750 degrees Celsius. That is a 7, not a 1. All right. And number 17. To improve air quality, a large office installed 144 plants. The plants are evenly assigned to 8 employees to water. How many plants does each of the employees water? So there's 144 plants, and there are 8 employees to take care of them. 8 cannot fit into 1. Can it fit into 14?
Yeah.
Yes, Orion, how many times? Once. 1 times 8 is going to be 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. Drop down the 4. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't do this in the normal method. 60. Whoops. Oh, wait, 80. 80. There we go. 144 minus 80. Yes, honey. Thank you for saying that. 4 minus 0 is still 4. 14 minus 8 is going to be 6. 8 cannot fit into 6, but 8 can fit into 64. How many times by raising your hand, please? Kamari. 8 times. So each employee is going to have to water 18 different plants. I'm going to leave this up on the board for a minute so you can copy it down. And then we're going to talk about homework. You like this? I really like long division actually because once you understand it, it's really fun to try and do different problems with. And there's a lot of fun online games for it too. Yes, Nick? I've heard. I'm glad you're enjoying this chapter. All right, am I good to move on to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty, very good. Let's go ahead. I will have you guys do 2, 4, and 6 on this page. I will do number 1, 3, and 5 with you. You can do number 1 if you want to try it. If you don't know how to do it yet, or you're go ahead and put your hands up in a 1 through 5. I want to see how you're feeling about this. This is probably one of the most confident chapters I've seen for you guys. I love that. Okay, so can 6 fit in? If you are a 4 or above, you may try on your own. If you are less than that, I expect you to be looking at my screen and working with me then. Can 6 fit into 8?
No. Yeah.
Yes, it fits once. 1 times 6 is 6. Put zeros afterwards. You are looking at my screen and following along. 834 minus 600. 4 minus 0 is still 4. 3 minus 0 is still 3. And 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 cannot fit into 2, correct? Can 6 fit into 23?
Yes.
Yes. 6 times 3 is going to be 18 with a 0 on the end. 4 minus 0 is still 4. 13 minus 8 is 5, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Can 6 fit into 5?
No.
No. Can 6 fit into 54, though?
Yes.
6 times what is 54? Easton.
9.
9, good. And then 9 times 6 is 54. I'm left with a 0. I'm completely done with this problem. My answer is 139. You need to be copying all of this down so that you have example problems. Otherwise, you are sitting here and it's not going to make any sense to you unless you are doing what I am doing. Number 3. How many times can 2 go into 4?
1 time.
Twice. 2 times 2 is 4. And then put zeros on the end.
Wait.
And then I have 135 left over when I subtract. Can 2 fit into 1? No, so I put a 0 here. Can 2 fit into 13? How many times can 2 fit into 13? 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12 with a 0 on the end. I subtract that. Can 2 fit into 1?
No.
No. Can 2 fit into 15?
Yeah.
Yes. How many times?
Around 7.
7. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 15 minus 14 is 1. So what's your answer?
It is 2,067 remainder 1.
Remainder 1. You had 1 left over. Make sure you include that. It's okay, then you're just copying down with me while I do it and participating to make sure that you are ready for once you do understand it. Number 5, I don't like how it's set up. I like it being in a bracket, so I'm going to rewrite it down here. 6,517 divided by 4. Remember, what's doing the dividing is on the outside. Can 4 fit into 6? Yes, 1 time.
Okay, wait.
1 times 4 is going to be 4. And I'm just putting zeros after it.
It's kind of like placement.
Just like it. 7 minus 0 is still 7. 1 minus 0 is still 1. 5 minus 0 is still 5. And 6 minus 4 is 2. Now, can 4 fit into 2?
4 can fit into 2.
Nope. 4 can fit into 25 how many times?
4. No, 5 times.
One more.
6 times.
6. 4 times 6 is 24 with 2 zeros. 7 minus 0 is still 7. 1 minus 0 is still 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Now, can 4 fit into 1?
No.
No. Can 4 fit into 11?
Yes.
How many times can 4 fit into 11? Kiara? 2. What's 4 times 2, Kiara? 8. Very good. 8 with a 0 on the end. 7 minus 0 is still 7. 1 minus 8 I can't do, but 11 minus 8 is what, Kiara? 11 minus 8. 3. Good. 37. Can 4 fit into 3?
No.
No. Can 4 fit into 37?
Yes.
How many times can 4 fit into 37? Kamari.
It can fit in 7 times.
A little more than that. Carson. 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. 37 minus 36 is 1. So, Carson, what's my full answer? 1,629, remainder 1. Good job. Thank you. All right, on to the back. Let's talk word problems. No math musicals today. Woohoo! I want you to do number 7, number 9, and the review problems of 11 and 12. Number 7, 9, 11, and 12.
Right now?
No, when we get to math interventions. So write in division expression that has the greatest quotient. What is a quotient in a division problem again, please? Easton.
The answer.
The answer. Very good. Ooh, this is going to be hard. Okay, actually, we're going to cross out number 8. I don't think you're going to have any use for that on the test, but I will do number 10 with you. You are doing number 7, 9, 11, and 12. Please don't be working on them right now. That's what math practice time is for later. The panhandle of Oklahoma is made up of 3 rectangular counties. They have a combined area of 5,712 square miles. Estimate the width of the panhandle of Oklahoma. Check your answer by multiplying. So it's saying the combined area is 5,712 square miles. Now, can somebody please remind me, how do we find area of something? Kamari, what formula is used to find area?
I think we do length times width.
Yep.
And then once we do length times width, I think that's it, or do we?
That's it. Yep. No. That's it. That's how you find area. Very good. So if length times width equals 5,712, we want to do 5,712 divided by 168. Now, can 168 fit into 5?
Yeah,
No. Can 168 fit into 57? No. Can 168 fit into 571?
Yeah.
Yes. How many times can it fit? Let's do a guesstimate. Kamari, which one do you think? How many times?
Wait.
Just guess how many times 168 could fit into 571.
Wait a minute.
So, for
I got a
example,
quick formula.
168 is almost 200. 571 is almost 600. How many times does 2 fit into 6?
Oh, I got this. 400 and
Here, let's start with.
17. 417.
Hold on. How many times does 200 fit into 600?
250, 600. 4 times.
3 times. So let's try 3. 168 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 504. Can I fit another 168? No. So 3 times it fits, making 504. 6, 11 minus 4 is 7. 6. So we have the answer of 6, 7.
No.
Drop down the 2. How many times can it fit into 672? Let's add another 168 and see what we get. All right. It can fit 4 times, getting 666. And then we have 6. 12 minus 6 is going to be 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So our answer should be 34, remainder 6. Nick, if that is wrong when you go to grade, I send you my sincerest apologies. I tried my best on it. All right.